The Tipraland Statehood Demand Committee has strongly reiterated its demand for the creation of a separate state comprising the autonomous district council areas. During a press conference held at the Agartala Press Club on Thursday, Committee Chairman Agor Debarma addressed the media, noting that the Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura currently shares power as part of the ruling government coalition, while the Tripura Mother Party governs the ADC. Since 2009, the Tipraland Statehood Demand Committee has steadfastly advocated for the creation of a separate state comprising the autonomous district council areas. However, this objective remains unfulfilled, stated Chairman Agor Debarma. The Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura shares power within the ruling state coalition, while the Tripura Mother Party holds governance over the ADC.
Tabu Statehood Demand Committee ni ungi kok salai tongo, ani logi President Omilo Debarma tongo, Japu tongo angkai chairman. Tan mai cheng tini atung nani na, sung nukui naja. 2009 IPF tibo Tipraland dan nui movement klayui, borok bangmal yakulo, BJP by 2018 sorkar thangka. Sorkar thangma yakulo, ADC ni ala the standing bung totally tuyok otori rohaka. Tai khorsa phayuka ekusho Greater Tipraland, Greater Tipraland bo tahu kamai thangka. Oma hai kini mangga sung thokok dak sinai binyo, sini sung bising ke agi IPF diklai tongai, sini bisingo tahu boros asuk phaya ko sini Binoy Debarma bobo, angbo, sung sini kaisa Norway kok sama ulo, kok sama ini sung tamu kaya next sung abu kaya bagui sini sung wantu.
Reporter Baran from Agartala, Chini Khora.